we've got a straight project car here. 1968 Ford Mustang 289 under the hood. Looks like it does have power steering and power brakes though, and it's running pretty smooth. The paint job is so-so on this one. Interior needs to be redone. I'll show you what I'm talking about throughout the video. Seems to be running okay. We're gonna check the brakes. We're gonna check and see what happens when I'm going down the road and flooring it, what happens when I'm steering. Guys, I'm calling this video straight to the point because it's gonna be very short. I'm actually doing probably 10 to 15 videos in 3 days. I will get all the facts for you though. Picking out the flaws will be at the end. Be sure to check out maplemotors.com. Shipping and financing is available. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Test drive time. Place those bets. Do you think the horn works? Yeah, the dash pad needs to go. That thing looks like it's warping back in time, don't it? Interior. No, the seats and stuff look good. Now, our package tray, she doesn't look good. She needs to be redone. Your headliner, honestly, just tighten it up. Your visors and stuff got a little rust popping up on them. They're not the greatest. Of course, this is not priced at 20 grand. This is $12,900. Carpet needs to go. Start it up. I like that part. Starts up good. Nice quiet motor. Showing 75,000 miles. Turn signal. I can see it blinking up there. It's very dim, but it's blinking. What about this side? Yep, same thing. Slow and dim. Blower motor. I don't hear a thing. Oh, I can hear it now. It's slowly cutting on, so the blower motor is cutting on. Radio. I can hear the tape player making noise. It's trying to play a tape. Let's go to the radio. There we go. Radio's working. Wipers. Yeah, they work. Horn, did you place your bets? I have no clue, guys. I'm gonna say yeah, because everything worked, right? Woo. Woo. Yeah. Okay. So it's so hot outside right now that my camera gear is actually having a hard time connecting to my phone. I know that sounds weird, but when your cameras get hot, they start acting funky. Now this is the best camera setup that I've ever had. If a GoPro got hot, it would just shut off on me. This one just says, let's keep going. The punch is there. So anything I see on this test drive, you'll know about it. It is a short film. I'm not gonna get creative and do all crazy outside shots. I'm gonna show you everything straight to the point. That's what I'm calling it. Let's roll. Pulling to the left there, look at that, pulling me over the line. So steering on this one needs some adjusting. A little bit of slack there. Let's get into the throttle. Kick down's hooked up. Touching the brakes. The brakes feel okay. A little squeaky though. I noticed they had a little dust on them when I was leaving the lot and they were kind of sticking, but now they're just squeaky. They do stop decent. Speedometer coming up seems to be working. Yeah, that squeak here. Pretty quiet. When I hit the brakes, I hear hissing coming from the pedal and squeaking coming from the brakes. The brakes need to be redone on this one for sure. Oh, you hear them? Okay. All right, undercarriage shots coming up next. Maybe an outside shot or two. Picking out the flaws, heading back to the lot. See you in a minute. I'm nice and sweaty, that's for sure. All right, we're ready to head back. Got y'all connected. There's reverse for us. You want to see that? I know you want to see that. Oh yeah. The brakes, a little hissing. Big old dip in the parking lot there. Guys, let me know in the comments what you think about this straight to the point video. It doesn't have all the extra features that I normally put in them. But I'm going to do a bunch of these this week. That's just to get way ahead for you while I'm out of town, because I don't want to make you wait to see a video of the car that you've been wanting. I try not to do that anyways, but now, I do not believe the gas gauge works. I never stopped and got any this time. Squeaky old brakes, man. It's crazy they're even stopping that good. They're squeaking. They're making some racket, and you can feel it doing this little bump. Speaking of bump, a little stiff in the back there. You could hear that one. But we all know this is a project car. That's what I started out with, and I told you that from the beginning. It also didn't look like the headlights or tail lights worked. I showed that in the video, and it just doesn't look like they work. I may have missed something. I could kind of see it on my screen here, but we're getting ready to pull back into the lot, guys. Picking out the flaws is coming up next. That's chips, scratches, rust, and dents. I want you to stick around for that. It's very important. So, see you in the next one. All right, guys, chips, scratches, rusted dents coming your way. Let's go. Fitting on the front bumper? Yes. Around the front end? Yeah, just pitting all the way around that chrome on the front there. Same with your emblem. And down the side, the chips. Little hazy on the side. Decent gap in the door there. Little bubbles in the paint here. A little hazy there. See some like specks in the door. A whole bunch of specks in the door. All the way down too. Excuse me. Got the hiccups now where I chugged water just a minute ago. Had to though. Gotta hydrate. Little lines there. Bubbles in the paint. Mirror looks decent. A little bit of pitting on it. Decent though. Door handle definitely pitted up. Cracks over here. Up top here too. In your jams. Pitting on your back window. Or cracks. Little waxlets over there. And a dinged up in the back. Back window. Okay, looks good. Trim. Kind of hanging out. dents in the roof there. Little small dings. I don't know what they're from. This side looks alright though. Coming up on the back. See that back bumper has got some stains, some pitting. Just like the front. Chrome there's a little bit cracked up too. Pitting on your tail lights. And down in your trunk. I don't know what was going on there. I wanted to get it off. Ooh, she wet! That gas tank is the rusty part. Look at that. A little bit of the gas tank coming off around the edges too. Package tray looks good. Same with your jams. You know, the more I look at this car, the more solid it gets. All you got there is just a rusty gas tank. That can easily be replaced or sanded down. You may just keep the same tank. I don't know. It's up to you. Seal there looks good. Little bubbles popping up there. Over here as well. Shutting down. Okay, she's sitting up a little high over here. Specs in the trunk there. Cracks over here. Little lines there. It's just an older build here. Coming down this side. Little spots popping up. White little specks popping up down this side. Is that dirt? That's dirt. There's dirt over here. Sorry about that. I must have hit something on the way up. Again, guys, this video is straight to the point. That's why it's a little bit different. I'm calling it straight to the point because when I have to get in a little bit of a pinch there to get all these videos out to you, I got to get straight to the point. That way I can get them all done, because you know we're putting out 15 cars a week, so it means I got to have a bunch of videos ready. That way you guys know what you're getting. People call all the time. I don't want to buy the car until I see the video. I get it. But the guys, honestly, they're going to be just as honest as me. They'll go out, tell you what's going on with the car. Pop says it to everybody. Just tell them what's wrong with it so that they're happy when they get it. Okay? It's a great motto, I think. There was some kind of company, I don't know who it was, but they called and told us that was a terrible business strategy. Are you serious? Being honest, that's all you gotta do. I was like, you must not be doing good. Or you're doing real good and you're messing with people, so that ain't good. Spots. It's got some chemical peel on this paint up here. Alright, made it around the outside. Let's go ahead and check out this interior. I'm gonna start this motor back up. Missing some paint there. Around in our jams. Around the edge of the door. Now the carpet, it just needs to go. Back, 10 years ago, I used to put carpets in cars all the time. Any kind of carpet was pretty easy. Just pull everything out, layer down. I don't do that anymore because I make videos for you guys. Dash pad's got to go. Carpet's got to go. Other than that, I mean, honestly, if you change the carpet and the dash pad, this car would clean up pretty nice. Tighten the headliner, because the headliner looks good. Get a wrap for the package tray back there. Take the speakers out, wrap it, and put them back in. Pitting on your mirror, I mean your, it's not a mirror, your dome light. What's up? Helicopter's been all over here lately. Start it up. Oil pressure gauge is just not working. It doesn't have an overflow, so any kind of extra is just going to spit out on the ground there from the hose. And it does have a little wet spot there when I cut it off. We top all the fluids off when they first come in, just checking everything out, making sure there's no major leaks. Motor on this one's running nice and smooth too. Fan shroud to be a good upgrade. Help pull the air through and protect your hands from getting taken off. Coming down with the hood here. Come down a little sideways, didn't it? Yeah, you can see it's still hitting over here. Kind of sitting up high on the driver's side too, so we'll have to push her down. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's straight to the point. That's what I was telling you it was going to be. I'll continue back with my full-blown videos later after I get back from the baby break. I sure hope you enjoyed it. Be able to hit subscribe and share and show your friends. That's going to help us out. MapleMotors.com. 100 detailed pictures, finance and shipping. Guys, just go check it out. Every Monday, I'm putting on new rides. I'll see you later. There was a spot over here too. I'm sitting here thinking of anything else I need to show them. Yeah, there was a spot on the side of the seat there. And a rip in the middle of the passenger seat. I'm still thinking. Okay, now let's head on back.